How to use audio across multiple scenes in OBS Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Gilherme from JMV Technology, and today I'll talk about organizing your audio in OBS Studio. Using audio channels in live streams is common, and depending on the stream type, you might need many audio channels. Adding these to each scene individually can be time-consuming. Fortunately, OBS Studio has a great feature that can help with this process. Some audio sources are only added through specific scenes, like in our last tutorial about adding audio through the beta application Audio Capture. To learn more about live streaming, check out our free course link in the description. Just create an account and access our content. To start this process, let's open OBS Studio. Go to Settings and then Audio. Here we'll disable our general audio tracks, which are the ones that appear in all scenes. Next, we'll create a new scene and name it Live Audio for identification. In this scene, we'll insert our desired audio sources. Here we'll add an example of the beta application Audio Capture and also the audio devices. With this, we've created a scene containing only audio sources. This gives us the ability to use this audio set in any scene we want. You can create different variations of audio scenes as needed. To add this audio set to a scene, it's simple. Go to the desired scene, click Sources, Add, then Scene, and select our audio set. This allows us to insert it into any scene we want. To check out our video streaming plans for your OBS Studio broadcasts, scan our QR code here. So that's it. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media.